So Lindsay and JR are off at, they're swimming, I think, at a pool somewhere with Lindsay's mom, group friends. So I got the afternoon to myself. So what I think I'm gonna do is try and put together a quick chainsaw milling video by cutting up this log here. I need to get rid of some of these things so I have room to make this mill back here. So for this thing, I'm going to play with the 090 again, but this time I have my 66-inch bar that I'm going to put on there and give that a try. Now my mill itself only goes to 42 inches wide, but that is a wide enough cut for that log. I'll just have a lot of bar and chain hanging off one end doing nothing, which is fine. So let's try and get this thing off of here and get this new bar and chain on. Actually, let me find this new chain. There it is. I have it here somewhere. There we go. Brand new 190 link rip chain. Hopefully this fits. Hopefully it's long enough or whatever. Now, where's my ratchet? Do need a wrench for this. Now I can't find the size of wrench. Story of my life. Alright, we'll be back when I find this wrench. Pliers it is. There's the clutch. It's off. Now finally you can put the chain and bar on. It looks like I am like one drive link too short. So here is the tension hole, or where the tension needs to go into. There is the tensioner thing there. You kind of see from this side here. This studs are in the way, right there. So this right here is a little tension nub thing that needs to go into this hole here, but I can't get the bar pulled far enough to get that tensioner thing engaged to the tension hole. So I'm guessing that this is like probably one link too short, or maybe even two. Two would have been good. Oh boy. So much for this today, I guess.
Fortunately, someone's cutting his molars. And after hugging him for about 40 minutes, nothing seems to help. So I'm letting him lie on the floor by himself, thinking maybe that'll help better. And I think it might right now. He's just... I feel so bad for him. We gave him a little bit of baby Tylenol, which I didn't want to do, but I feel like he needs it. We kept giving him this. That helped a little bit. He had a cold washcloth. But I love you, baby.